sexy, di ba? Mas sexy pa sa akin. Kasi mga dalaga pa. Grade 2 teachers. Teacher Claire Nera and Teacher Ezekiel G. Medrano. Walang shortcut. Grade 3 teacher, Teacher Nita. I'm sorry, Teacher Jasmine Duca. Malambak naman. Walang shortcut. Ikot. Second day of school. Grade 4 teacher, Teacher Nika Elcano. Teacher Ikot. Grade 5 teacher, Patricia Ann Garcia. Okay, mas marami ang mga teacher Ikot. Iparatan mo yung kasexy lang dito, ikot ka.
I had so much fun yesterday. And last night,
Okay.
shapes and numbers.
Let's call in our tutors also because they are part of the teaching staff. Let's call in first teacher Kat Duande. Dito teacher Ikot. Teacher Joanna. Ano, what happened to the balloon? Ate Liz, children, upo kayo. Dumagdag na balloon. Sa tinong. And Teacher Nita. Teacher Nita, dito ikot. Santina, please get the balloon from Malola. Thank you. And of course, let's give way to our school principal, Madam Irene A. De La Cruz. Ikot, teacher, ikot. Ayan. Stay at the middle, teacher. Tabi mo sa Ezekiel. Alright, once again, my dear parents and my dear pupils, let's all give a round of applause for the DBCSI teaching staff, gorgeous and sexy DBCSI staff. Okay, you may now have your seats.